All right, everyone, I'm going to call the docket. When I call the docket, you need to stand and let me know you're here. Otherwise, I'm going to assume you're not here and a warrant may be issued for your arrest. Jesus Villasana, Chris Cervantes, James Sanchez, Alexandria Fuentes, Arnold Pena, thank you. Scott Hamblin.
Well, no, he's hopefully his wheelchair to bring him
Oh,
over. Judge.
yes. They'll be their custody. Aaron Allen. Thank you. Ricky Felt.
Present.
Aria Yandel. Tyler Shipman.
Everything else.
Daniel Hastings. Eric Talamontes.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you. Juan Mejia. Juan Luis Mejia. Orestes Sandoval, custody. Jesse Ramirez.
Present, Your Honor.
Jimmy Robles.
Present, Your Honor.
Damian Renee Pettis. Darnell Dotson. Darnell Dotson Jr. Jacob Montez, custody. Javier Alejandro Salazar. Robert Perez, custody. Noe Garcia. Jesus Salvador Rodriguez. Jesus Salvador Rodriguez. Roland Almaguer. Brianna Owens, custody. Raymond Rubalcaba. Raymundo Rubalcaba, custody. Michael Joseph Mora.
Your Honor.
Daniel Chapa Maestas. Robert Perez. Joe Morales, custody. Henry Peterson. Daniel Chapa, custody. Is there anyone who's present and your name was not called? Yes, please stand. What's your name?
Adam Silva.
I'm sorry, what?
Adam Silva.
Do you know who your attorney is?
John.
All right, thank you. That's okay. I would always, when I was a defense attorney, I would tell my client if they were male, I'm like, we're gonna give the reset form to your wife. So do you know his cause number?
I don't.
All right, thank you. You've done your part. Yes, you. What?
Your name.
Never know.
I'm sorry. Could he repeat his first name
Malachi.
and his last name?
Ronald.
Do you know who your attorney is?
Simmons.
All right. Anyone else? All right, attorneys. Hopefully you all know the rules. You're not ready to approach me if you have not conferred with the state and conferred with your client. If your client is in custody, you must have conferred with them. If your client wishes to speak to the court in a language other than English, we will need an interpreter. Please request it. When you are ready, just approach the clerk, let them know the reason you wish to approach me, because we're going paperless and we'll go from there. So happy Friday Eve. Everyone let's have a good day.
Thank you. We still have to be out here. Thank you. Thank you.
Morning, Your Honor. Sorry.
Morning, hi,
May I approach?
yes.
Judge, I'm sorry I missed those other two things. I still have company till Sunday.
No, that is fine.
So after that, I'll be able to.
Really pretty place.
Oh, yeah, well, yeah, but,
Yeah, she just. Yeah.
All right, who's ready?
Page 7, second one for Jesus.
Jesus Rodriguez, Matt.
Yes.
Hi.
Good morning, Your
Good morning.
Honor. Mr. Brown is at a funeral today. Coordinator, I'm just
All right,
requesting.
so I don't have an email. So if they send me the email, then that will be taken care of.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, and if we could just get a reset.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
but where is Jesus Rodriguez?
I know, I called out, he was supposed to be here.
All right, so
as a-
once he comes, I'll take. care of
Okay,
that. All right,
okay, thank you.
I think you're seeking out. Bless you.
Bless you.
Oh, it's not?
Yeah.
Okay. And we want to, so I got. Fucking video.
Yes. Two.
Page 7, third one down, well, then I'll look out, so I'll fix it.
Suspended, of course. So.
Yeah.
Just that. I have the rest now, please.
Rejected for juvenile. That's what they signed. All right.
Roland Almagar,
Morning, Jen.
good morning. Have your client come up. So does he have ignition interlock?
He has ignition interlock and a PAM device. So he has,
Sorry, ignition interlock and what?
and the PAM. So he has supervision on both. And when he's not in the vehicle, and also the ignition interlock.
All right, court is calling 2026 CI 04239 N. Ray Roland Almaguer. Could I have parties announced?
Florence, State.
Orlando Castano for defense.
All right, state, this is amended petition for occupational driver's license. Do you have any objections?
Well, that's better.
All right, then, where are we on discovery?
And so this is our first setting. We're filing requests for the standard blood discovery and doing that both by order in the 3914.
All right, I need a 60-day reset for discovery. All right, thank you. Once you sign the reset form, your excuse.
Thank you.
Steps.
So,
Page 3, fifth one down, Tiger Shipman.
Tyler Shipman. Where's your client?
And I think we have,
Obviously, it's going to be very slow today. I see it.
yeah, to fill those.
All right, so where are we on the blood discovery?
I conferred with Ms. Galloway. She said that she contacted DPS and they're about a 60-day delay. So maybe 60 days.
Norma, this is to be recalled for discovery, June 8th. All right, once you sign the reset form, your excuse.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes.
Judge, I said it's on the thing. I'm not sure if you're calling
Oh,
names up.
she's gonna
Okay.
give me the names next. Who's next?
Off page 2, fourth one down, Alexander Questions.
Oh, that's perfect. That is me, Judge.
All right, Alexandria Fuentes. Hello.
Right, Judge. So, and I spoke to my client and let her know what was going on. I'm appearing for Robert on this one this morning. So she had a competency and a sanity evaluation done.
Mhm.
My understanding of the events is we have the competency evaluation. We don't have the sanity evaluation. back
There was
yet.
supposed to be an NGR plea on this. You can have a seat. It appears that something physically is wrong. Who's the state on Alexandria Fuentes?
Myself, Judge.
All right, my understanding that this was supposed to be an NGRI plea in magistrate's court, that they've already, their doctor already said that she was insane at the time of the.
Oh, do we have the report?
Robert told me this morning that he hadn't seen the report. I don't know.
That's what I have in the notes, NGRI plea in magistrate's court, and state is to review, because you all wanted to know whether you all wanted your doctor to interview her as well.
I think I was on, let me check my notes, Judge.
I'll
Stand
step
by.
back. I'll talk with Brandon
Sure.
about it, Judge.
Norma, on Alexandra Fuentes, I have notes that you can have a seat, miss. I have notes that the sanity evaluation had been completed. Can you check to see where that is? All right, who's next?
9, 1, Michael Moore.
What's,
Michael Mora.
We're ready, Judge. 1, 2, 0.
Yes. I mean, if it's a probation hearing, then I need to see the file.
Judge, this is actually a compliance hearing. It's an update from his last compliance hearing, a couple of months ago.
Yes.
Mr. Moore is doing really well. As, we reported last compliance hearing,
Mhm.
he, is abstaining from all use. He's working. He's reporting as he should be. His UAs have been negative. His officer said he's doing really fairly well. He is on the wait list for the mental health unit. And he is complying with all of his medications with the Center for Health Care Services. There is one concern he has, he's needing to get some dental work done. So trying to pull some resources for him to do that because the lack of insurance, but, he's good.
Well, I'm glad you're doing well.
What's going on, Steve?
Huh?
It's been a negative week, so this is nice to hear.
Yeah, this is awesome. So, with the dental, have you checked with felony drug court? Because usually they'll have resources.
You can ask him.
The other thing I was thinking, Judge, is, sometimes they do free or cheaper dental work for the dental students at the
Yeah.
T Health Science Center. So I would check out that, Michael.
Okay, awesome. So do we need any more status updates for him?
Do you feel like you need to come back or anything?
Here's the thing, I want you to stay on track. I'm not gonna be the judge who's here. And I will tell you, I've been accused of being too lenient.
Yeah.
But I want you to be on track. So,
If you want to come back in 2 or 3 months for another compliance hearing, we can. I don't think the court will be okay with that, but if you don't want to, you don't have to.
I think maybe until he gets on the mental health unit at least.
all right, so y'all wanna come back in 60 days, maybe?
Is that okay, Michael?
Okay.
All right, well, keep up the good work.
Thank you.
And then I tell you what, before I leave this bench, we will get that dental issue taken care of.
Awesome. Thank you, Judge.
All right, so we'll see you back on June 8th. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Judge,
Yes.
I can hear you.
Oh, okay. Testing, testing. All right, thank you.
Kind of trash it because of HIPAA and all that.
All right, Leon Small. So what, good morning. So what is happening with him?
He is in federal custody and he's currently got a plea deadline for May the 14th with the jury selection and trial date of May 26th. I am not representing him on that federal case, but I am obviously going to stay on this case.
Okay, let me see something. Norma, schedule is for July. We'll do July.
I
see what
appreciate you.
happened.
Maybe excused.
Well, after we get our date,
Okay. Good seeing you.
you too. All right, July 13th.
That excuse?
Yes, if you want to.
Well, I need to catch up with you, but
Righty.
good seeing you.
All right, you two have a good one.
You had a few attorneys on. It's like before the and honestly. We gotta do more.
Oh, Neil, I'm sorry. What date did you say that his jury selection was on the federal side?
May the 26th.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Hey, you missed, I had a Zoom for my class and I had a lot of attorneys on there to talk to the students.
Yeah.
And of course, it was Old Home Week. John Coots was on there. David McLean, David Woodard, Rick Rickerson, everybody, the old gang.
Did you tell him how you could really mess up a guy when he's getting ready to start his exam?
That is so hilarious. Everybody else had their books out except for me because I didn't have any. But yeah, hey, but a group of us for our 30th year, we're going to Paris to see Celine Dion.
Okay, well, let me know. I mean, I'm ready to travel now.
Okay.
I've gotten flip my life there. I realize I probably have more behind me than I do in front of me, so I'm
That's what I tell people.
slowing it down a little bit.
So we're looking at October, so I'll let you know.
Let me know.
Right, the first thing to get our tickets, then get to Paris. And the only thing, as many times as I've been to Paris, the only thing I need to see is the 1,000 Candles of Light.
All right, well, let me know.
I was this close to doing it, but I doubt it. I said, surely no one is lighting 1,000 candles. I'm like, it has to be electric. I'm like, no, who's lighting? And how do you light 1,000 candles? And then we talked to the concierge and she's like, let me call. And she called and you know what she says? They actually do light 1,000 candles. She's like, but I'm sorry, you can't go because it only happens on a specific time during the week. I'm like,
Let me know. We'll do that. We'll go.
all righty,
All right, good
Oh,
seeing you too. Have a good day.
you too. And everyone, just give me a second. I need to put a couple of things in the system.
It's crooked.
Sorry, everybody. Odyssey is being a little bit slow today. All right, who's next?
It's Aaron Allen. Mr. Allen.
Aaron Allen.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I cannot complain, medical issues with family members, but
That happens.
yeah, what can you do? All right, so you hiring an attorney?
He's, go ahead, Mr. Allen, tell me what you want to do.
Johnny? Yes.
Oh, sorry about that. No, I'm not at the moment.
All right, so
He indicated to me at the last setting that he wanted to hire an attorney. I think he's made some strides toward that,
Mhm.
but he wanted to ask the court for a couple more weeks.
all right, you're asking for 2 more weeks to hire an attorney?
If possible, yes, ma'am. If not, I was gonna ask for maybe a month, or if that's asking too much, then I'll take the 2.
All right, because we've been doing hiring an attorney since February. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make sure this attorney has all the discovery. Then we are going to reset it. State, are you prepared to make an offer in Aaron Allen?
Offer's been made.
Oh, an offer's been made?
And tendered to the client.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, set this for a plea deadline date and a jury trial date in 30 days.
That'd be great. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so much. I appreciate you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, May 11th.
Thank you so much.
And counsel, if you could get an acknowledgement of discovery in this case.
I will do it.
All right, who's next?
It is Robert Pettis. He's stand 2 down. Stay right there.
Thank you.
So Mr. Pettis is on a walker.
Yes,
He was injured in an accident.
yes,
Here's our situation, Judge. It is set today for the MTR.
but he has 2 other.
Two number ones that are not yet even in a file form for me. So we'd need some kind of a reset to package everything, or to at least get everything here at one time.
All right, State, how long is it gonna take you with the two new number ones?
Judge, I would say if we could just get one more 30 days, then
All right, Norma, recall this for June 8th.
Sure.
All right, does that give everybody enough time?
yes, yes, Judge, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. All right.
Okay. You can start resting your hands. You have to do it.
Thank you so much. Oh, okay.
All right, Jimmy Robles Reyes. Hello, you guys are on this side. All right, and who's the state? And are you all students from St. Mary's?
Yes, ma'am.
We're gonna make sure we get you guys on the record. And Cindy, after we get them on the record, can you give them a printout? Something you guys can frame.
Thank you.
All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 0000714 State versus Jimmy Robles Reyes. Can I have parties announced for the state,
Brandon Prada for the state.
for the defense?
Aaron Diaz. Luke Keepley. Philip Gonzalez.
All right, and are you Mr. Reyes?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right, it's the court's understanding after argument from defense counsel states you're tendering a motion to dismiss, is that correct?
Yes, Judge, we'll be tendering a motion to dismiss and it'll be.
To
refiled.
dismiss,
To
to
dismiss.
dismiss.
Yes, Judge.
All right. Any objection to the dismissal?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, we can go off the record. Cindy, if you'll make sure that they get that.
So it'll be on YouTube too. So it'd be like, it'd be good.
Thank you. Oh, wait a minute. There's a second dismissal for you guys.
There's some spelling.
But what are the new?
What do you guys need your phones for? Okay.
And if you all want to make you should have that as your copy, but your client will need a copy. But if you all want extra copies, you can go in the back and use the printer. All right, thank you. You're welcome. And you guys were dressed appropriately for court. Show the rest of the defense attorneys how it's done. Thank you.
Aaron, use AAR1. Yeah.
Warren Klein. Brittany UHILL.
Brianna Owens, I just need your signature here.
Okay.
Oh, I signed it, yeah.
No,
Oh, it's a different one?
yeah,
What did I sign?
I think you signed this one. There are two.
Oh, there's two cases. Actually, I was told that they hired Acevedo, were gonna hire Acevedo.
Well, we will see what's happening.
Yeah, so right now I'm still on the books.
Okay,
But thank you, Judge.
well, let's have them come up. Brianna Owens. What page is this on?
This is on page 7, with 4 sides.
Hello, my understanding that you're hiring an attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and when will that be accomplished?
I'm gonna contact, my family as soon as I get back to the dorm and I'll make sure that he gets the paperwork and we've already put the money down.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall this in 3 weeks. All right, we're gonna come back on April 30th.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Judge.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, who's next?
Next, I have on sheet 3, at the very bottom, Daniel Hastings.
Daniel Hastings. That's like from Bridgerton, like the Duke of Hastings, am I right? All right. Yes.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Victoria Schufel and Joseph Anderson from the MAC. I was informed this morning that Mr. Garza called or text that he's sick with COVID.
Okay.
And I spoke with Mr. Hastings and he still wants to have Mr. Garza as his attorney.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall this in 30 days. Well, no, not 30 days. You're employed, correct?
Yes.
What's your work schedule?
5 days a week from 6 to 4.
All right, are you able to Zoom?
My phone's off.
Okay. All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall this in 40 days. Will that give you time to work things out with your employer? All right, 40 days. All right, so we'll bring you back on May 19th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Rather, Jesus Rodriguez is here.
All right. What page is Jesus Rodriguez on?
Page 7.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Jesus Rodriguez. Hello. How old are you?
Oh, it's 18.
All right, so here's the thing. You're gonna have to make sure that you are in time for court. Court starts at 9, so now you know where it's located and everything. You understand?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
All right, so are you in school? Do you have employment?
Right now I'm employed at a cashier at 7-Eleven.
No, I'm just trying to figure out what's your work schedule.
I mean, I would say normally I usually work around 12 to 5. So any morning time, I'll be free.
All right. And do you work the 5 days a week or 7 days a week?
But usually 5 days a week.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, call this and recall this in 45 days. All right, so we'll bring you back on May 25th and you know where everything is now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Who's next? Okay.
For page 5, first one.
Cindy, are you ready? All right, did you finish the other thing or you need more time?
I'm still working. I'm just doing the front pages.
Okay, I can wait for you.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
I'll send it to them.
Oh, well, we'll do a reset before we take this up. Yes.
Page 2, fourth one down, our numbers.
Alexandria Fuentes?
Okay.
Yes.
So that's gonna have to be an NGRI plea. And I guess Brandon needs to go talk to David. We wanna see if we can do it in the morning. It takes a while to get them done.
Okay.
But if we can get that way, if he can talk to David, we get it cleared, then we can start the paperwork in the morning.
Okay, because I was like, my mind's a steel trap. I was like,
I had sent him the evaluation and I've been in trial so much I forgot about it, but no, she was found
yes,
outsane.
because that's what you all told me. So what we'll do is if we set this like May 11th, you guys think you'll have some information?
Well before that.
Yes.
All right, Norma, can you put Fuentes on May 11th? All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge. It's a more speedy stuff.
Yeah.
Have a good one. All right, anyone else? Okay.
Nothing. You see you're awesome. And it's here. They said he's here.
Oh, great. Oh, I got it.
All right, Jesse Ramirez. And probation, this is an application. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 0000641 State versus Jesse Ramirez. Can I have parties announced?
Mr. Moses for the state.
Robert Brabant, Jesse Ramirez.
Are you Mr. Ramirez? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Ramirez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ramirez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Charge of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1B, 4,200 grams. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you. You will be allowed to withdraw your. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent. No gum chewing.
Nothing.
Sure. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, he's mentally competent.
Mr. Ramirez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a $1,200 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be $120 to the Bear County Crime Lab for the drug testing. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No motion, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 6 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution, the DOEP course, parenting class, and regular random UAs. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor, state offer states exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Negative.
All right, so why are you driving around with children in a vehicle and there are drugs in the vehicle?
It was a stupid mistake.
I'm sorry, I can't understand you.
It was a bad decision, and I honestly don't know why I was doing it.
So why, what drugs have you used in the past?
It's marijuana.
And do these children live with you?
Yes, ma'am.
And who else lives with you?
My wife.
And is she using?
Oh, ma'am.
Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I do residential solar. I'm a residential solar installer.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. There's a $1,200 fine that will be probated. Proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There is $120 restitution to the Bear County Crime Lab for drug testing. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs or the patch. $200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once the parenting classes are complete, 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. The remaining hours, the court will deduct 1 hour for every sober support meeting completed. There's to be a TAP evaluation. Out of custody, follow recommendations. There's going to be field visits one time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
Is where I can do the drug tests, where I can be able to do it.
Oh, what's going to end up happening? They're going to do a TAP evaluation. So the TAP evaluation will let us know what issues you may have
Yes, ma'am.
and whether or not you need to take a drug class.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. When you have young children, if you're using drugs around them and they're smelling it, that's not good for them. They are growing. Their brains are growing. Everything about them is growing. And they're taking notice of everything. And if you're using drugs around them, that tells them that it's okay to use drugs. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And I don't think you want that for your children.
No, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. I'm sorry, what page did you say this was on? That's okay. All right, are the parties ready on Joe Morales?
Yes, sir.
You know, if he's doing this.
Page 7, first one, always right here. Noe Garcia. Who's the attorney for Noe Garcia? Moritz?
Yes, Judge. Sorry.
Okay, Mr. Moritz, Mr. Garcia, come forward.
Oh, Judge.
Hi. So what is happening with this case?
I've met with him. This is our first setting.
Mhm.
We've gotten an offer from the state.
I want to review the videos on the case to verify some of the statements on them. And so I need a 30-day reset, possible, Judge?
All right, Norma, set this for a plea deadline date in 30 days.
Can I?
Is that good for you?
Yeah, let me check. I've got a
Sure.
doctor's appointment. May 11th, I've got a doctor's appointment and it's taken me 6 months to get that, Judge.
Oh, well, we need to, I mean, unless I'm gonna be the doctor, we need to let you keep that appointment.
The next day is fine, Judge?
All right. You want to do June then or no?
No, May 12th is fine.
Ms. Ferguson? May 12th, is that open?
All right with you? It's fine. Okay,
All right, May 12th.
thank you, Judge. Gonna have some paperwork for that.
Thank you.
It looks like we worked out a plea on
Hamlin?
Hamlin.
All right, just whenever you're ready.
Yes, Judge.
Judge, those law students don't have their bar numbers yet, right?
No, they have a bar number.
That's fine. For you to.
No, they should have their student bar card. Oh, well, they'll have it without the bar.
It's a good law student.
Okay.
I have another one when you're ready.
Yes.
On page 4 at the bottom, the rest of Sandoval.
Eurestis Sandoval. Yes. Karen Corby?
Yes, sir. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, today is plea deadline date. Is this gonna be a jury trial?
Probably eventually, Judge, but I think we are still waiting on CPS records.
Yes, Your Honor, I know it's your pet peeve and I apologize, but the subpoena was sent out that once done, looks like it still has not been received. I'll have to get the investigator to follow up and get those emails.
And I know you guys are not the people who did this, whoever indicted this. So we know all the discovery we need.
Well, is there anything else other than school records and CPS that you want?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay. Well,
Your Honor, I just want to, we'll check the Peters Townsend records as well.
All right.
Yes.
Norma, recall this at the end of June, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Who else is ready? All right, are you already on the sentencing?
We're just waiting for the complainant to come down.
Okay. Who's next? Juan Luis Mejia.
I'm here, Your Honor. Well, my client isn't. He was
Oh.
on bond. I got a notice that he cut off his monitor, Your Honor.
And I think the magistrate probably set his bond, so there should already be a warrant for him.
On the PFA. Not the indicted.
Okay. All right, court is calling 2026 CR 000081. State versus Juan Luis Mejia. Can I have parties announce?
Brandon Bradford for the state.
Michael Collins, attorney for defendant. I am present, Your Honor.
All right, and your client is not present this
President,
hearing?
I haven't had any contact with him in some time, Your Honor.
Mhm.
My information is from the pretrial services. I saw in my email that they sent in a notice to the court and myself that supposedly my client had tampered with and or removed the GPS.
All right, court, I'm sorry, state requests.
Judge will be requesting a bond forfeiture.
All right, the court will issue a judge's warrant, remand your client without bond.
Understand?
Thank you.
Can I have excuse, Your Honor?
Yes. Who else?
That's all I have right now, because I'm still working on the tree.
All right, thank you.
and I asked her for, she wanted to go eat. And she says, you wear briefs or jockey? I go, it depends. And she goes, oh, never mind, I can't go eat.
Yeah. Oh, and supposedly, they're reinstituting the draft.
They raised the age.
Okay.
Well, no, it's 18 to 25.
Well, that's for, I'm going to listen. That's not this.
No, they're saying they are.
Right, because they also increase the age if you want to enrich yourself. Rather than be drafted. It's like 40 video hours.
Yeah, they changed it.
As opposed to
You could join
35.
Well, if ever you campaign, you can say, look at this person, they could have enlisted and they wouldn't even enlist. You know, historically, I think people are going to start paying to get out of that like they did previously, where people were getting drafted and you could have somebody else go in your place and families would pay somebody else to go in your place. Okay, what are they teaching children in school these days?
Math.
Am I the only person who knows of this history of this country? All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 002-483 State versus Javier Salazar. Can I have parties announce?
And Johnny Cisneros for Mr. Salazar.
And are you Mr. Salazar?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Salazar, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you, I'm sorry, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, state moves to waive the punishment enhancement.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
And I'm sorry, just one moment. I'm just trying to make sure I can read the numbers in the judgments and the steps. Just give me 1 second. I always say it's better to check instead of get into the plea, and then I say the copying of it, I can't review. All right. Any objections to the waivers?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it at all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with driving while intoxicated third or more. That is a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. By entering into this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does, ma'am.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Mr. Salazar, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $1,400 fine. State recommends community supervision. This will be run concurrently 2025 CR 001456. There's to be restitution of $60 to DPS. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense is at the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State is at the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, off the record for a moment. Does he have a pending motion to revoke out of here?
It doesn't, Judge. That was already adjudicated in January, and this was the new number one on that.
Okay, all right, thank you. All right, we're back on the record. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, ma'am.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years. There'll be 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, 100 hours community service restitution, DWI intervention, VIP live, 2-year license suspension, regular random UAs, ignition interlock for half the term, the DOEP course, MRT, and drug court. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachment.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right. Mrs. Salazar, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding to sit with sentencing?
Please, yes, ma'am.
All right, are you employed?
Yes.
All right, so state, with regards to the 10 days in the Bear County Jail, do you all want the 10 days in the Bear County Jail or GPS?
Defer to the court, Your Honor. We have no objections to GPS.
All right.
Your Honor, he already had the GPS.
Okay.
We're hoping to get it removed today, but 10 days from now is fine.
All right. So if the GPS will be on for 10 days, if that's full house arrest. If you're employed and you want to work, then it's going to be GPS for 30 days, and that'll be partial for employment. So which do you prefer? The 10 days full house arrest or 30 days partial for employment only?
I will do the 30 for the partial.
All right. And so that the record could be clear, the reason why the court is doing that is because there's overcrowding at the Bear County Jail, and there are health issues at the Bear County Jail.
Thank you.
All right. So when's the last time you had a drink?
It would be the day of the event.
All right. It appears to the court that you have issues with alcohol. You're one of those people who can't stop drinking. You don't know how much is too much, and then you drive. And that's a deadly combination, or it can be. You can easily hit someone and kill someone. And then you will be here crying that you've taken somebody's life. Your attorney will tell you, and I will tell you, I've never met anyone who said my goal was to go out to drink to intoxication and then hit somebody and kill somebody. Usually what ends up happening, they start drinking, they don't realize they're impaired, and then they end up hitting somebody. So you're one of those people who cannot drink at all. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And on this probation, you're not allowed to drink at all. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 10 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, or he can do the patch. Well, the patch doesn't test for alcohol. Is that correct? Okay. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month for 6 months, 30 days GPS partial for employment only. Now, what does that mean? That means if you go to work and you see a Burger King on your way and you want to stop at Burger King, you're not allowed to do that. When you leave work, if you're like, I need to stop at the grocery store to pick up some milk, you're not allowed to do that. The only thing you're allowed to do on this GPS is go from your house to your work. That's it. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. I have a question. I guess the job that I have to go to Home Depot to get materials for the
Oh, just let
client.
probation know, as long as it's work related, that's fine. Probation, if you will let them know. All right. There is going to be DWI intervention course, VIP live, 2-year license suspension, ignition interlock for half the term, TAP evaluation out of custody, follow recommendations. I'm going to want a referral to felony drug court. There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm ordering weekly sober support meetings. And for every sober support meeting you complete, which I'm telling you, you have to go to them weekly, an hour will be deducted from your community service restitution. proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors. Do you have any children?
Yes,
What are their ages?
17, 15, 13, and then I have a 4-year-old.
All right, and I'm gonna order parenting classes. And there's to be $60 restitution to DPS for testing. And this will run concurrent with 2025 CR 001456. There's a $1,400 fine, and that will be probated. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need in order to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, and I'm not trying to shock you, but you could have easily been driving, and the mother of your children or the children's grandmother could have been driving. You're intoxicated, you don't know. They could have been on the road and you could have hit them. You understand? I don't understand why when people are going out to drink and they know they're going out to drink, just get an Uber, get a Lyft. It's so much easier now. Back in the day, you had to call a taxi. Now you can just get an Uber or Lyft, and whatever place you go to, you can go up to the bar and say, I'm gonna need an Uber, I'm gonna need a Lyft. And you say that before you even go in there. But of course, that won't impact you anymore because you're not gonna be drinking at all. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Sure. Always
Thank
good
you.
seeing you, Jenny.
Thank you, too.
Anyone else ready?
Yes.
Scott Hamlin.
Ready, we're ready.
Is he in, he can remain there if he needs to remain there. Okay. Is there any application in this case? It took us a while to get him over from the jail.
Finally made it.
Yes.
There's a will, there's a way.
Yes.
Thanks, sir.
Who needs a cough drop?
Who's got?
Who's that?
The George. Put him in the box.
All right. All right. Stuff going around.
Make sure you speak up so she can hear.
All right, court is calling 2025 CR 014158 State versus Scott Hamlin. Can I have parties announced?
Brandon Preda for the state.
And Kelly Piddle for Mr. Hamlin.
Are you
Jay
Mr.
Moritz.
Hamlin? Oh, and
Mr. Ham.
thank you, Mr. Moretz. And are you Mr. Hamlin?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Counsel, you received all discovery.
Yes,
Did you review it with your client?
yes,
Court will find that state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hamlin, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorneys? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
we do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge will be proceeding on the lesser included offense of less than ground.
No objection.
All right, Mr. Hamlin, did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I do, ma'am.
All right, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right to you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering into this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
No.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
yes,
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Hamlin, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 less than a gram. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 6 months in the state jail facility. There are no applications. They're taking in consideration 2025 PF 32364. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense is at the plea?
It is.
State is at the plea?
It is, Judge.
All right, off the record for a moment. So does he have 6 months in?
He is not. He has
Okay.
52 days.
Okay, all right, we're back on the record. All right, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No.
Then to the less included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
Judge references exhibit number 1, including all of their attachments. Objection.
All right, state you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. After reviewing the same, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Asking the court to follow.
All right, the court will follow your agreement, find you guilty of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 less than 1 gram. Court will sentence you to 6 months in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. Take in consideration 2025 PF 32364. I'll ask for the therapeutic community. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Judge.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. We can go off the record. Here's the thing. When you're released from the state jail facility, you need to go into an inpatient facility. And there are free places in San Antonio if you're in Bexar County, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Judge,
Thank you.
Judge, she does have 52 days in as of today, and if you wanted to give it on the rest.
Okay, we'll make sure that you get your credit for 52 days. And if for some reason you think the credit is incorrect, the clerks will correct it.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, we good, ma'am.
All right, you too. I'm glad they were able to get you over.
I bless you.
All right, thank you. Oh, God bless you too.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Who else is ready?
Page 4, second name down, Eric Talamontes.
Eric Talamontes. All right, on this case, has state, were you able to tender an offer?
No. Offer, no, okay, I will tender an offer, but last time we were here, Judge, we were inquiring about medical records. We have
Yeah.
learned there are none. We have also subpoenaed DFPS and Health and Human Services. DFPS gave us a return of no records, but Health and Human Services have not responded to our subpoena that we sent on 3/19. So we just asked for a short reset so we can circle back on them.
Okay.
And Your Honor, I have filed a motion to help, appoint an investigator in case the state can't, subpoena
All
the
right,
result.
all right. Where's the motion for investigator? I'll sign it.
It should be.
All right.
What's accepted.
I
yeah.
open it right now.
And Norma, I need this set for a plea deadline date, the end of May. All right, May 26th.
May 26th.
Yes. And once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
And council, just make sure they give me the,
To appoint investigator, Judge?
yes. All right, anyone else ready?
Yes.
Hmm? All right, thank you. All right, the party is on Arnold Pena. If you'll just give me one moment, because I'm not the person who took the plea. I just want to read the steps.
Run the restroom while you're doing that.
All right, thank you. Oh, do y'all want to call Doug?
I will
Because,
try to find it.
I think Doug is at the retirement stage where he said he's retiring. So I tell you what, if you all will speak with Miss Ferguson and find out what's a good date for everybody, I'll hear that. But Charles, if I rule against the defense on the motion, everybody needs to be ready to proceed with sentencing.
And we're ready, Judge.
Okay, all righty, so we'll do a reset on Mr. Pena.
Judge, I have the state's witness here and we are ready in regard to the PSI. If we get in contact with Mr. Campbell, can we do it this afternoon? Or do you want to reset to another day?
It just depends on what, if y'all want to do it this afternoon, we can do it this afternoon.
Cannot do it this afternoon.
Okay, all right. All right, who are the witnesses here for you?
We have Miss Lisa Chapa. She's the mother of the complaining witness.
All right, so, Ms. Choppa, this is what I want to explain to you. I have to follow the law, right? And so, the defense is asking that that the plea be withdrawn. So I have to have a hearing on that. So I'm sorry, we're not going to be able to take up your case today because in order for me to have the hearing and for it to be legal, the attorney who entered the plea for his client, that person needs to be here. So we need to find out where they are and go from there. And I didn't know this motion had been filed. Okay, so we're going to see if we can get in touch with Mr. Campbell today and do a specific date. If I grant the defense's motion to withdraw, then of course, there may be a jury trial or there may be an entering of another plea. But if I don't grant the defense's motion to withdraw, then we'll proceed with sentencing after the motion. But I don't know what I'm going to do yet because I haven't heard anything.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Yeah. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry, just give me 1 second. This is my mom.
Alrighty.
Yes.
Good morning.
So who's next? All right, Ricky Felt. Good morning. Court is calling 2025 CR 014566 State versus Ricky Felt. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Want to get a check for the state?
Hannah Hawkins for Mr. Phelps.
And are you Mr. Felt?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, anyone else ready?
I guess there's on page 5, fourth one down, Damian Bettis.
Damien,
Oh.
okay, who's next?
Then Daniel Chop on page 10, Judge.
Present, Your Honor.
All right. Daniel Chapa.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Judge, this is our first appearance on an MTR.
Mhm.
I need to check out something. And I've conferred with Ms. Galloway and I'm gonna get her some more information so she can make a more informed judgment.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, set Mr. Chapa in 14 days for a contested hearing. All right,
Yeah, that'll work.
all right, April 30th.
We'll be back.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank
Come back
you.
on me.
Good seeing you. All right, and Charles, are you ready on your client?
Yes.
All right, if you can, just one second.
Damian Bettis on page 5, Judge, fourth one down.
Okay. Damian Pettis. All right, court is at 9 a.m. You now know where court is. You know how to get to parking. So don't be late again. And this will be the second time you're being late.
I had showed up in County Court 14 on time and I checked in and then I came.
Here's the thing. You know what the key words you're saying? County court. This is district court.
Explain that this is first.
All right, so where are we?
Well, ironically enough, we're gonna go to County Court 14 as soon as we can.
Mhm.
We're gonna plead on some cases there and your case is gonna be resolved.
Okay,
So if I could get 30 days, I don't think you'll ever have to come back.
okay,
But
all
if
right.
you did, he'll be on time.
all right. Ms. Ferguson, 30 days?
Yes.
It's fine. That's fine.
We'll put it for May 11th.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Have a seat, we'll sign. I spoke to Mr. Campbell.
Mhm.
He's of the opinion that it's attorney-client privilege. He doesn't want to come. He's not gonna come.
Well, he's wrong and he needs to come. And I don't understand why some people feel as though they know the law and they do not know the law. Does he not understand what a motion for new trial means? I think we'll have Attorney Chacon who practices. with
I'll
him
defer,
talk to
I'll
them.
let you handle that.
All right, thank you. Who is your next?
We're doing plea paperwork on my other gentleman.
Okay, all right, thank you. Yandel? Hello, just give me one moment. All right, so what date do we have?
April 16th.
Okay. Okay, he will be here now that he knows the rules. All right. And I'm sorry, what's the name of that person? What page is he on? Oh, and on that case, are they gonna have witnesses?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and what date is the 16th? Is that a? Okay, we'll see what happens. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 0148887 State versus Aria Yandel. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
George Dunbar for the defendant, I believe it's Araya.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
All right, so did y'all do the consideration for mental health court? What happened with that?
I can answer that, Judge. We set her up for that for an evaluation, but then when they reached out to her, she lives in Comal County, so they said that
That's
they
true.
can't do it because she's not in the county. So that's how we're back here today.
Okay. All right, so Ms. Yandel, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Yandel, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
Ms. Yandel, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're charged with assault of hospital personnel or hospital property as a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I believe she does, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe she's currently competent. I do not believe that she was sane at the time of the offense.
All right, so has a sanity evaluation been filed?
No, Your Honor, that's where when we came in today, Your Honor, and so, but I believe that she is competent right now, and I've had these discussions with the state.
Well,
that-
she needs to be evaluated for sanity. If you don't believe she was sane at the time of the offense, we can't go forward.
But
That's what the state recommended.
All right, so
When
there
he
needs, all
told to the state if that's something he feels that needs to be explored to do so.
right, well, you all need to explore that. So a sanity,
Your Honor, if I may,
Yes.
what I was going to say is though, that I believe she's competent today. And that's why she's entering a no contest plea, is because she feels like this is, the plea is in her best interest after consideration of all of.
but if she wasn't sane at the time of the offense, okay, we're gonna go off the record for a moment. All right, everyone, we'll go over the docket and we're going to be back at 1:30. Yes. So we'll be back at